Now let's take a minute to get familiar with your dashboard. The dashboard is exactly what you're looking at now. This is your main screen. From here, you can navigate through each feature of the app. The top center of your dashboard screen displays your room code, as mentioned at the end of the last video. When initiating assessments, your students will use this code to log into your content. This code is unique to you and remains the same for all of your uses. Along the top, you'll also find a menu button and a student counter. The student counter is located in the top left next to a small people icon. This number reflects the current number of students in your room and changes in live time to give you an accurate account. The menu button in the top right gives you access to 3 more actions. The first action is Clear Room. This allows you to instantly clear all students from the room. Clearing a room gives you a fresh start. It opens back up all 50 spots and is particularly useful when resetting between classes. Next, you can access your user profile. Here you can change your account details, such as your room code, which could be important when trying to make something more recognizable for your students. You could also change your email address and your password. The last action in the menu is the logout button, and I think that one's pretty self-explanatory. Directly below the blue bar, you'll find 3 other buttons. On the left, there is a dashboard button. Clicking this button from any screen in the app will return you to the main screen. For instance, boom, back to beginning. On the right, the activity button shows when a quiz or activity is in progress. Once an activity is initiated, this button can be used to return the activity to the activity page from any other page in the application. The third button is the refresh button. This is used to refresh or reload the app and can be particularly useful for troubleshooting, especially when the app is not updating student numbers or scores. The dashboard is your access point for all main features of the app. From the dashboard, you can start a quiz. This button allows you to initiate any quiz you have created and saved. Another option is Quick Question. If you're in the middle of a lesson and want to check for understanding, but don't have anything prepped, the Quick Question allows you to ask a multiple choice, a true or false, or a short answer question on the fly and have students respond through the app for instant and clear feedback. When using the Quick Question in class, you simply present the question to the class and then have them respond using the app. The third activity button is called Space Race. Space Race turns any saved quiz into an interactive group competition. Groups of students can work together to complete a quiz as part of a competition. Each group's progress is displayed as a spaceship that moves across the screen to a finish line. The last activity option is a play on a traditional formative assessment, the exit ticket. The exit ticket is 3 pre-formulated questions that can be used quickly to check understanding at the end of a class. The 3 formulated questions are, how well did you understand today's material? The second question is, what did you learn in today's class? The third question, please answer the teacher's question. This is another opportunity for you to pose any question you'd like and have the students respond via the app. The last button on your SoCreative dashboard is the Manage Quizzes button. This is where you go to create, edit, import, or delete quizzes, and also where you go to view past data reports. We'll take a closer look here in our third video.